So we are at the biggest annual truck show on the East Coast today. The boys are so excited. Robert is like, I think, pooping himself because he absolutely loves trucks. This is the truck from, I believe it's Smokey and the Bandit. I think. I've seen that movie like once. But yeah, so that's what we're doing today. So exciting. What do you think, Robert? What do you think? Wow!
No.
Sit down.
Bud.
Sit down with the cars coming,
please.
please.
Sit in the seat, please. Now all the trucks coming, all right?
This place is huge. Might have to.
Sit.
What do you think, Robert? Oh, right?
No, there's so much. You can't absorb it all.
What's that? Fire truck.
What do you think, Jeffrey? What's this?
And this? And this?
Vroom, vroom. Yeah, that's the engine, huh? Dad, look at this one.
Yeah, that's pretty insane, huh? That's a big truck. That holds big stuff.
Yeah.
Next job, buddy. Next job.
Oh!
Oh my goodness.
Somebody is in truck heaven today.
Don't touch, buddy, okay?
He's just looking. Look at him. Look at the handle.
Face.
I know.
You have to look at his face. Jeffrey. Now, buddy.
Robert, I can't even keep up with you.
Jeffrey.
What do you think, Robert? Oh, ho, ho, ho. The hands on the hill.
I see that.
No, leave that alone.
Leave it alone,
That's
bud.
so the sign will stay on, huh?
Yeah? Stay
Yeah.
here, buddy. Don't play with that, Jeffrey. Jeffrey, stop.
No, it's not a seat. That's not a seat, baby.
Robert, stay over here, bud. We're going this way.
Come on. You're gonna wear yourselves out today. Oh! Oh!
They won't do it, buddy. There's too many people around, okay?
Someone is way too excited for trucks today.
Way too much going on for them to be...
Holy cow. So many
Robert, stop picking
trucks.
up all the rocks, buddy. Come on.
So many
know you're excited.
trucks. Oh! Oh, Robert, did you see another truck? Oh, Robert, did you watch that movie yesterday?
Some of it.
Yeah.
What you got? What you got? I don't know.
Oh, what do you see? Oh, yeah? What do you think, Jeffrey?
I see, honey.
Taking a break already? Robert's just too excited.
Make sure I see them all too.
Yeah. You see him?
Thank you.
What do you think, buddy? Yeah, I see. Tires are bigger than you. Hi. No, stay this way. Don't go under them. Uh-oh, what do you hear? Oh, Robert, what was that? Is that a tractor?
Sorry, did I put my oil water in your seat?
Yeah.
Thank you.
This one's, yeah, this is Bandit's car. I want the tractor trailer that was Snowman, right? I kind of remember. Oh, Robert. You want more? You're thirsty, I know. It's hot out, huh?
All right, I'm good. We can go now.
I did not just drive an hour for like 20 minutes.
Well, I am starting to leak, so it's time to go.
Out of all the trucks, he wants to go see the one random truck all by itself. There's like thousands and thousands of trucks.
Motorcycles coming.
Jeffrey's like, it's hot, and I'm just a little hungry. Oh, what? Oh, did your hand get dirty? Oh, it's okay. Oh, you want to get out? Okay. Hold on. Gotta unbuckle you. Yeah. All right. Woo, woo. There you go. Go run in the field. This way, Jeffrey. Jeffrey, up this way. Thank you. I could have land like this. I'd be very happy.
Let's go this way.
Jeffrey's like, yeah, it's a pretty truck. It's like it rammed into each other. Oh.
Wow. Look at
No, thank you, Jeffrey. No, thank you. Okay. Wow. Look at Robert.
that is so cool, huh?
Tagging my mom and dad. Do you want to get them something for Christmas?
Yeah, there you go.
No. Don't worry about it. Okay, it's not ours.
That is cool, buddy.